uneventful day today. Let's check it out. Mowing is... What's this? It's a package. Let's go! Package. There we go. So I guess we just unbox it. This is an unboxing video. It's got a bunch of holes in it, but let's open it. So, Adidas. Okay, here we got it. We got it right here. Ignore the dogs, but yeah, let's just open it. Dun dun dun. Oh, it's one of the empty box. I don't think this is it. Stuff is in this box right here. Let's check it out. This white thing. It's an extremely big T-shirt. I have to set out this T-shirt. Be phenomenal, or be forgotten. The Coliseum. I don't know. Fairfield, San Rafael. Ready to see what else we got? Dun, dun, dun. I got some shoes for the box right here. Let's take them out of this weird looking thing. What am I doing? Let's just bring these shoes right out, okay? Got a shoe right here. Really shiny. Silver and orange. Puppies are being really annoying. Please ignore them. Wear headphones if you can. I don't care, but here it is. It's really shiny. Look at the bottom. It's got a chrome effect. Oh yeah, sticker. It says in UK language, the chrome coating on the bottom of the... That's not UK. The chrome coating of the bottom of this shoe will wear off during play, but will not affect the performance of this product. That means this is going to go from silver to dull, which means not shiny. But this is the shoe. It's got the thing that you can put the laces in. So it looks like I have no laces. See, I have no laces. But let's get this over with, please. Hey guys, I've already read the sticker. Apologies, but deal with it. Look at this, wait. There's a sticker right there. I'll read it to you. Ready? This is reading class. Let's go. The chrome coating on the bottom of this shoe will wear off during play, but will not affect the performance of this product. And then it says it in Japanese. Anyways, guys, I'm going to make a separate video of me trying them on and showing you what they look like, but, oh yeah, one thing. They also came with these little inserts, which are supposed to make it more comfy if you need them, but, I don't think I'm going to need them, so, see you later, alligator.